Good afternoon. So my name is Rohan and I am working as a lecturer in Somaiya Polytechnic since last 13 years. And how I came into this education field is that in 2006 I was a victim of flood, 26 July of flood, and I lost my books, clothes, everything. And that time my dad inspired me with a single line, Rohan, तो अगर फेल होता है तो भी चलेगा, you are in 10th standard. But जो तुम स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो वो घर आके मुझे सिर्फ समरी बताओ, एक्सप्लेन करो. So I followed that statement and every day I need to come back home and explain my learnings to my parents, and that's how the teaching kind of activity imbibed in me. In 2013 I completed my education and started working as a lecturer, but unfortunately I had a jaundice and I was in a hospital for 1 month. And during that time, I was not able to teach my students. So that time I recorded audio notes and given to the students. When I recovered, that time I thought, why should not we use technology in teaching? And that's how I started my YouTube channel. Now it's about me. Now I will help you in next 10 minutes to improve and give you some innovative ideas which are helpful for you while you are practicing education in your class. Are you all with me? Yes. So these names, can anyone name few of them? Most of them? So this next 10 minutes will help you to have one of your students' photo in the next year. So I hope this session is going to be helpful for you for creating students like them in the future. So along with this, I given my PPT slides with you all in the group. You can refer them and you can engage with that content. Now the topic is role of e-content development for educator. Now what do you mean by experiential learning? May I request you all to stand up please? Thank you. May I again request you to fold your hands? Perfect. May I now ask you to change the hand which is on the top? Perfect. So thank you for participation. Please have a seat. You have learned two things from this activity. That everyone has not the same pattern of standing up. Everyone is comfortable in one position, and same thing happens with your students because everyone has different learning capacity. Everyone has different learning pattern, and when a teacher adapts that, then he will give you the overall experience of teaching and learning. Do you agree with me? Yes. Okay. So instead of this first slide, I am taking you to the slide where we have 6 different students version with us. One is who is visual learner, who want to see something and learn fastly from that. Second, who is actively listening and then learning. Next one is someone who is fond of reading, writing notes, completing all the notebooks. Then we have the kinesthetic, who is someone who is learning by doing the things, experimenting. Then we have social learners like, अरे सर मुझे जो पढ़ा है ना समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तू बता दे. So that another fellow will experiencing that peer learning. And एक होता है जो अपना खुद के हिसाब से खुद के हिस्से देते, मुझे दुनिया का कोई पता नहीं, मैं जो सीखेगा वो मेरे लिए सीख. तो ये 6 प्रकार के लोग आपके क्लास में हैं. अब इनको अलग अलग 6 तरीकों से अपने को सिखाना है. Then only they will be inclusive in your topic. Okay? तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसे सब लोग हैं जिनको सीखने में विजुअल पैटर्न सही लगता है, सुनने का सही लगता है. एवरीवन हैज डिफरेंट टेस्ट, राइट? तो ये आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करें? लाइक यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड कि मैंने आपको पहले यहाँ से यहाँ बिठाया, फिर आपको खड़ा किया, फिर आपसे ये सब करवाया. तो इससे मैं ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ कि कौन क्या क्या कर रहा है, कौन हेजिटेट है, कौन विलिंगली कर रहा है. तो मैं 30 सेकेंड का आपको टाइमर देता हूँ. 30 सेकेंड. ओके? एक एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है. 30 सेकेंड में आप कितने क्लैप्स बजा सकते हो? ओके? जस्ट टेक अ नंबर, गेस इट, और इफ यू हैव पेपर एंड पेन जस्ट राइट डाउन और आपके माइंड में फिक्स करो 30 सेकेंड में कितने क्लैप्स आप कर सकते हो. बी ऑल रेडी? आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग द टाइमर. माय टाइमर इज रेडी. आर यू ऑल रेडी? Yes. 3, sir, you can also participate. Yes. 3, 2, 1, start. जो आपने सोचा था कि मैं करूंगा उससे बहुत गुना ज्यादा आपने परफॉर्म किया है. It means student has a capacity, and when a teacher identifies that, they will take full potential out of the student. Are you all agree with me? Yes. So why it is important? I hope you come to know why it is important. Because nowadays teaching methods are changing, students are changing. हमें पता है as a polytechnic faculty, we are dealing with the students who are like 10 standard plus, maybe range of 16 to 18 age group. But these students are continuously evolving, they are changing. So being a teacher, being a lecturer, we have to change our approach for them. जो बेसिक्स हमने पढ़े हैं वो तो सेम रहेंगे, सिर्फ तरीका बदलेगा ताकि एंगेजमेंट बढ़ सके. नेक्स्ट, ट्रेडिशनल जो लेक्चर बेस्ड टीचिंग है उसके कुछ लिमिटेशंस है क्योंकि हमारा जो ऑडियंस है वो चेंज हो गया है. एक था जो कंटिन्यूस लेक्चर सुन के बड़े बड़े रेफरेंस बुक्स में से पढ़ाई करके नोट्स निकाल के पढ़ने वाला एक जनरेशन था, इनटू द एक्सपीरियंशियल बेस्ड लर्निंग. सो ट्रेडिशनल क्लासरूम में स्टूडेंट्स को क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं? कैन एनीवन जस्ट स्टैंड अप एंड रीड इट आउट? एनीवन प्लीज.
Traditional classroom student challenges. One, teaching speed for all students, fear of asking questions in class, limited attention span during long lectures, passive learning, only listening and note taking, no scope for revision after the lecture.
Thank you. Now, when such kind of activity you perform in the class, like asking someone to stand up and ask him to read the slide, that is again giving the control over the class. If we are just continuously speaking up, we will be draining our energy and we are not having a control over the students. So these are the certain techniques which I followed, which I discovered, and then I ask a feedback from the students that how you like this lecture, what you want new in the lecture, and I got the analysis of the feedback which I am going to share in next video. Is that okay with you? Yes. Oh. Next we have what is the experiential learning. Now this you already experienced by experiencing it, that how the class will be engaging, how students has curiosity in their mind for what the teacher is going to bring next to the table, right? So first is experience and action, doing activities, reflecting on what is learned, and then we have to understand the change of the role. First, active learner and participate. This is what the student has to make work on. And for a teacher, it's not just a speaker, he has to be a facilitator and a guide. And for that, you need to add up different tools and materials, or rather we can say props. This word props means we need to create certain workbooks, a different element, so we have to go beyond certain steps. And what is that? Let's go with this. Why we need it? Because whenever students apply the concept real time, they learn better, they have a better understanding of the concept, and they are engaged in your lectures. Then whenever we are learning something, maybe by reading books, maybe by doing something, listening, we are solving the problem. We are becoming engineers. Our main purpose, goal is to solve certain problems. And for that, we need to have these two skills, problem solving and critical thinking. So with this, we have three faculties sitting next to each other. I ask you to form a group, three faculties, and just make a group within. You can discuss among yourself. What is the important problem you face with your students? I give you 20 seconds for that, and you discuss among three of you, every three group, and then you will come up with one solution to me. कि स्टूडेंट्स आपको किस तरह से परेशान करते हैं, ये आपको तीनों लोग को मिलके एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कस करना है, और कौन सा प्रॉब्लम आपको ज्यादा लगता है वो हमें बताना है इन 20 seconds. Again, please start my stopwatch for 20 seconds.
I have unanimous answer.
No, group activity.
Group.
Yes. Discuss with this sir. Perfect. Last 2 seconds. I hope you got an answer. Something. क्या हुआ discuss करें? Can you just share that? Attention span is less. Okay. Concentration कम हो गया. Yes.
Concentration.
Oh wow.
Sir, be the student.
You are student late. So we are late.
We irritate teachers while they are teaching as a boring topic from like something that feels boring to us. So teachers may get disturbed because of us because we irritate them a lot while asking, can we on the AC, can we on the fan,
Okay.
something like
उससे
that.
टीचर होते हैं इरिटेट या उनको पता है ऐसे ही करेंगे ओके हाँ मैम
Yeah, they are distracted and also that we face with different pace of learners, like slow, someone who already know or someone can have a good grasping level. So to match up, it is difficult.
great
The focus of the students
focus of
and the patience that they the current generation. The patience means the focus they lose because they don't have a patience. They want a quick reply because everything is on the moment of hands right now.
okay
So that focus
okay
is
so the statement problem statement was कि टीचर को स्टूडेंट से क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है and because of we applied the group learning technique here we got 6 to 7 new answers that's same thing you can apply with your students and make their groups as per their benches only bench पे 3 लोग बैठते हैं उनका ग्रुप बनाओ और एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम थ्रो करो और सब लोग से एक एक मिनट से आप रिप्लाई ले लो then it will lead to a engaged class those who are different type of learners as we discussed earlier we will engage all of them and we again have a control only 30 to 40 second के लिए मच्छी बाजार बन जाएगा वहां पे but that is okay but for rest of the class your students will definitely keep quiet and pay full attention going with this now how the e-content can be useful for you sometimes it is not necessary that we will have to carry a bulky equipments to the classroom it is not sometimes possible and to avoid that we have a e-content for that like we can create a small video of a particular concept we can show them that on a projector if projector is not there don't complain send it to their WhatsApp group they will look at themselves so every problem has a solution only your willingness is required I hope you have all of this right yes or yes
Yes.
thank you so recorded lectures explanation videos PPTs this I wanted to give you an idea assessment and evaluation where we circulate a quiz to our students and then among this group only they are solving the quiz now our purpose is that students should at least pay concentration focus they should less distract so what we can do is let them distract in the our area of interest अगर वो मोबाइल भी यूज कर रहे हैं तो उनको ऐसे यूज कराओ कि वो हमारे काम में यूज करें तो उनको पीपीटी पहले दे दो मोबाइल में उनको क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्लीज पहले दे दो वो मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं उसके लिए टेक अराउंड इन द क्लास सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अराउंड इन द क्लास स्टूडेंट हैज इन देयर माइंड यार ये सब तो मेरे पास भी आते हैं और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मोबाइल में ये भी देखते हैं और फिर आगे आगे सबको कहते हैं कि इसने कल जो वेकेशन पे जाके आया उसके फोटोज अच्छे थे सो ये सारे एक्टिविटीज आपको ट्राई करने हैं थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस एनी क्वेश्चंस आई एम ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चन
You have nicely presented. We have enjoyed the activity. Just tell us some difference about the team pressure, project-based learning, gaming, and puzzle. Which one is the best and why?
So every time when we interact with the student, we know that every semester we have 20 hours of connection time with them. So in first hour, we have to identify the which audience we are dealing with. So if someone is okay with the gaming, we can develop games for them. If someone is interacting with the case studies, good. Someone is presentation, like group presentation. So first we need to identify what audience segmentation we have and then we can apply those information.
That is one way.
Yes sir.
Which topic you are teaching? Which subject you are teaching?
I teach project management, generation of power. I teach energy management and audit.
Any design thinking, something on design subjects are you teaching?
No.
Tell us something about a think, pair, share.
So it's about think, pair and share. It's like we create a group of 2 people, identify them, and one is being asked to perform certain task, and another person needs to give the feedback to that person. Then same task is done by this person, and this person is going to give feedback to them. Now both will have the different set of learnings out of this, and they are given the opportunity to come on a stage and share that with the audience. So in that case, what happens that these two also get that concept, and other people, other students also get their perspective. So again, the class is more engaged.
Peer participation. We call it as
Peer participation. Yes, yes.
Thank you.